So the problem that we're addressing is very simple. There's been a huge increase in online shopping, and predominantly those students that are at university or at college, which means there's been a huge increase in the number of van deliveries to places of work, business parks, homes, as well as universities and colleges. And at a typical university, there's over 350 individual vans delivering 1 or 2 parcels at a time. It's really inefficient and very bad for the environment. So the solution that we're proposing is to take, in essence, an Amazon locker and put it onto an autonomous vehicle. Really crazy idea, but actually, when you look at it, it's pure electric. It can go around the sites all day and actually be available on demand or actually do scheduled deliveries. And when it's not delivering these parcels and goods and groceries, it can actually be cleaning the streets and the pathways as it goes along. So there's some added benefit to utilising this vehicle around a particular site. What's most important is there's no human driver there, so it's very, very safe. It's been tried and tested in airports and environments with over 6 million commercial kilometres. You can see there's been a huge increase in online ordering. Now that's equivalent to the size of the GDP for Hungary. Now, that is an enormous increase in that area of the business and this area of logistics. It's made a huge problem, and there's been massive spikes in emissions. So why now is very simple. There's now technology that's available to support this, to make it more efficient, to make it cleaner, and to make it safer. So using 5G technology enables this to be deployed and for the business case now to make sense for shopping companies, for DPD, UPS, FedEx, Royal Mail, as well as also for colleges, businesses and universities to make that investment because they get the money back a lot quicker. So the Spring programme has really helped because it's enabled us to focus on the 5G technology, as well as training us in how to really address our sort of vision, the problem that we're trying to obviously find a solution for, and to really make sure that the solution we've got is actual benefits people, and the business case that we've got behind it enables us to then commercialize this in a much greater way. I think if we'd have done this on ourselves, we'd obviously still have the interest, but we wouldn't be able to commercialize this in a quick manner, and it wouldn't make financial sense for colleges, universities, businesses, and for supermarkets to make the investment, to date. So what am I asking for? This is really simple. We want people to trial this technology in their places of work, colleges, universities, homes, supermarkets. There's some huge opportunities, not just in the UK, but all over the world to make a big difference, both to emissions and the safety of welfare. So we think it's brilliant. And what we want you to do is to trial it for a year. If you don't like it, you can give it us back. If you love it, then you can lease it, buy it, finance it over a period of time. But if you're anything like London Heathrow Airport, once you pod, you won't stop.